Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the OffGridEnclave channel. The sun is out and blasting on the solar panels, plenty of energy to go around. So today we will have a look at one of the essential things of off-grid life, washing your clothes. If you size your solar system properly, you can run most normal washing machines. It is highly recommended to run them during the day when you have plenty of solar and not during the night when you drain it from your batteries. In this video, however, I will show an energy efficient way to do laundry that works even for small scale solar systems. I'm using a pretty standard bathroom to house my washing machine. Originally, this model is designed to be used in a caravan environment. It is possible to load about 8 kilograms of laundry up in there. On the top right, it is possible to connect a water line, however the filling needs to be manually controlled. In my project here, I am simply using the shower hose. This setup allows you to heat the water with a different energy source than electricity, say a stove for example. Here the position was picked so it is conveniently possible to drop the hose in the machine for the filling. Using the shower, the adjustment of temperature is quite easy. If you are washing at lower temperatures, I can recommend adding laundry sanitizer in addition to washing powder. This helps a lot in removing bacteria and funny smells. After dropping that into the machine, close it up and wait for it to fill with water.
A few moments later.
After about 2 to 3 minutes, the washing machine should be properly filled. A quick check on the water level and it is time to stop the shower and remove the shower head from the machine. Close it up and set the timer to run it. The electric motor does drain about 280 watts while it is spinning. One should not open these things while they are running, but in the name of science I will of course provide a few shots. There we go, nothing special to see here. It's a washing machine, it spins the laundry in water.
5 minutes later.
The cycle should be about halfway done, time to have a look. Things are still spinning, lots of dirt in the water. Obviously everything is in order. We will come back in 10 minutes when it's done. Alright, the washing machine is done. Before we empty it, I will show you guys my current solution for the wastewater. The exit connection is slung over the edge of the bathtub, so it drains there. This is not a permanent solution. I already have the plugs in place to connect the washing machine to my sewer line, just not found the time to do it yet. Put the switch on drain and the 50-watt pump will empty the machine in round about 3 to 4 minutes.
A few moments later.
To get the main amount of water out of the laundry, I'm using this very old laundry centrifuge. This particular model was built in the 1970s, but it still runs just fine. It takes usually about 2 loads for the centrifuge for one washing machine load. Very basic tech used in this. A 200-watt electric motor that runs for about a minute and you have reasonable dry clothing. Hang that outside for 2 to 3 hours and the cloth is properly dry. Thanks you all for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you want to keep up to date in the future. With that, enjoy your day and make it count.